Hi Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. This reading is for June 8 to June 10. Ayan, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo po ng dalawang reading po sa akin, meron po dun sa kabilang channel, that is Kabaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. May mga reading din po tayo doon, nagla-live din po tayo doon. No? So, kung meron po kayo mga katanungan, you can ask a question sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. So, Capricorn, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So Capricorn, for June 8 to June 10, no? Parang meron tayong hindi inaasahang pangyayari, no, dito. Huwag nating labanan, huwag nating pigilan, no? I feel like kung hindi nyo naman gusto ito, much better na um, gumamit tayo ng mga precautionary methods, to prevent this. What I am talking about is pregnancy. Ayan. It felt like this is the time, no, wag natin sisihin. I think that this is the time that you are going to conceive. There's something in here na pwedeng, hindi natin plinano. Yun nga yung sabi ko. Pero ito ay ibinigay sa atin, no? With the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Six of Wands. Well, for a few numbers of you, medyo gusto nyo naman yung nangyari sa iba. Kaya nga, few numbers, no? Yung iba naman, yun talaga hindi inasahan. Yung ibang kasi, this is an answered prayer. They might be waiting for this. So, nandito yung parang at last, nandito na siya, no? For a few numbers with the Hangman and the Ten of Swords. Naku, huwag nating iisipin ito. Kasi nakikita ko na baka you might consider abortion. No, don't. What I am seeing in here is there might be something. The reason why you had the child, you think that it might not be the right time, the right place, but we will never know up until that exact time and the reason not happen. With the Moon card, the King of Wands, and the Sun. So what I am seeing in here is there might be a lot of questions, and I'm very, very sure that it has something to do with a pregnancy. The King of Wands. So, ang ayoko lang dito is, kumbaga, i-question ka pa, no? Nung person mo, is that ako ba yan? No? Um, or probably hindi man ito directly sasabihin, may isip niya, especially with the hangman. Sa akin ba ito talaga? Ako naman, no? Um, ayoko lang yung part dito na parang sasabihin niya na anong akala niya, no? Na ah, pokpok tayo, yung ganyan. No, with the Ten of Wands and the Seven of Pentacles. Well, I think for a few numbers of you, siguro, ito yung time na merong rejections before, no? Merong mga pagtanggi, pero nakikita ko dito, there is a realization here of as time passed by, no? Ay, oo nga, no? That's mine. Sa akin galing yan. And I think that there will be a time of parang embrace, no? Embracing the fact that something really happened, that something is meant to happen. The Moon card is clarified by the Magician and the Ace of Pentacles. So nakikita ko dito, if for those of you who's actually waiting for, sabihin natin, uh, yung support, no, financial support, no, pagdating din sa mga bata, no, child support, no, ibibigay din. The two of swords and the eight of cups. So what I'm also seeing in here is I feel like ikaw naman ngayon ang tatanggi, no? Kaya ko to, kaya ko to. Hindi ka namin kailangan, especially for those who are in separation. Um, Hindi ko naman sinasabi nagpapataasan ng ihi, no? Pero more of, ang nakikita ko dito, ah, na kaya naman namin, no? Thank you kung tatanggapin mo. I think that's enough, no? Pero kung iniisip mo na the reason why I'm here or we are here just to get money from you, no. It's more than finances. It's the acceptance, no, of my child, no, to know his or her father, no. So this is what I'm reading. Napakaseryoso naman ito, Capricorn. I think that this is also a personal reading for someone, no. This reading might not be for all, but tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng person mo or ng mga taong involved. It could also be your child. I'm seeing Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, no? I'm seeing Capricorn, pwede kapwa Capricorn ito, Leo, um, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries. Yeah, so this is your reading, Capricorn. Again, for those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live session, sa kabilang channel po yun. Kung gusto niyo sumali sa, or i-check no, yung ibang readings sa Babaylan TV po. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan, pwede po kayong magtanong sa comment section as long as the question is answerable by yes or no. And kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, meron naman po tayong um, link no, sa description box. Either copy the link or click the link. You will be routed to my page. Type in your questions and then click submit. If you also want to avail no, personal reading or private reading, nasa description box po. So love and light, namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye, Capricorn. You want the best of my heart, you just got